I don't know.
Can't pet.
You want to pet it?
Yeah.
Mark, lift him up to pet it. It's climbing up the wall.
That's the wall.
There you go, pet it.
Okay.
Unload the cart. Ricky will be here soon. No! Do you want me to pull your ear like that?
Where's it going?
It's climbing up the wall.
Well,
It's pretty.
can we take the monster there?
No, the moth can stay right here.
Right there?
And we're going to leave it go now because it's like petrified. Timmy and his pet moth. You always find those. No, don't take it off. Don't take it off by yourself. Mark, take that off of him. He's scared of it. Why are you saying ow?
Be Timmy. And be.
Is it making your hands dirty?
No, I'm not making it. And there's this one, okay.
That's a pretty moth.
Yeah, it is.
The other one was prettier, though. Woo!
Look. What's this?
It's his wings. Don't break them.
75.
Yeah.
Now,
Who's that?
take it.
Who's that?
Nemo.
No.
Fuzzy.
Eskimo.
Eskimo.
It's an up-close picture of Tigger the kitten and
Eskimo.
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 Eskimo and Tigger and Jimmy.
Timmy the talkie face, the boy. Timmy. Now,
Huh?
Taylor.
You can talk.
Taylor.
Camera.
Panda boy. No, panda pose. Panda boy. Panda the phone.
Camera phone.
Camera phone.
Yeah. You gotta get bath. You filthy.
How I thought I would do.
What?
I just thought I would do. Listen to it.
You wanna listen to it?
I just want to. I just want to see it. To see.
Good.
Talking pissy. Talking pissy.
Who are you?
Timmy.
Timmy who?
Timmy.
Timmy who?
I'm Timmy. I'm Timmy the boy.
You're Timmy the chocolate face.
Nah, Timmy the boy.
Nuh-uh.
Timmy the boy.
You're Timmy the chocolate face.
I'm Timmy the talking face, the boy.
What's her name?
Eskimo.
Is your name Eskimo? Hey,
Eskimo.
baby girl. Is your name...
Eskimo. Eskimo. Yeah, Eskimo.
What's your name?
Timmy.
Nuh-uh. I'm just a boy.
Timmy.
Timmy?
Yeah.
Timmy what?
Timmy.
Timmy what?
Timmy.
Timmy who?
I'm Timmy the boy.
Oh shit.
No, I just said, okay.
Oh, you said oh shit.
No, I just said, what is that? Okay.